Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple Microsoft form into a powerful automation by using Power Automate. First, open your Microsoft account, go to My Apps. You can see the interface like this. Then go to the forms. The forms you created or you want to create new one can be created here. I have already created a student leave letter. So you can see the form. I have given simple questions in this form. After creating form, go back to My Apps, then open Power Automate. You will have this interface. Go to Create. Here, you will find Power Automate Cloud Flow. Give a name, flow name, like leave letter. Here, select all triggers and give when a new form is submitted. Click on the plus. Pick the form ID like we have created the before. Student leave letter form. Select it and click on plus. Go to By Connectors and use Microsoft Form. Get response details and then give the form ID. And then the response ID. Use dynamic contents so that you can insert the responses. Again plus. Search for the mail and send a mail V2. First, you should enter the mail ID madhugaud18@gmail.com. That is a referral ID. Next, enter the subject. Use dynamic parameters. Now select the body from the ChatGPT. Edit a bit and give your details like your name, HOD name and your class, department, year, college name and everything. Next, give the reason by using dynamic parameters. Fill the details. Next, save the document. After getting successfully saved, go to the form to give a sample. Give your details like your name, HOD surname, hall ticket number, college, roll number, class, year and reason for the leave. After submitting your form, go to the mailbox and check if the mail is went. After submitting, the mail will be going to your respected HOD. So this will be in this form. So this is how to turn a Microsoft form using Power Automate.